French. Honorable Director Sir, Principal, Guardians, my colleagues, and dear children. As we are all known, we are nothing doing to something extra. We are enjoying Independence Day. There are so many regions of the celebrating Independence Day. Boys are celebrating that today is declared as the, today means 15th August, declared as the holiday, so they are enjoying. What is function going held there, they are enjoying and they are celebrating, they are taking interest, while the other peoples who are grown up, they know the value of the freedom. We were slavery since a long time, more than 150 years. Our rulers were the English. They captured us. They have all robbed even our rights. It is not the result of a single person. So many leaders, so many prominent personalities had devoted their life and sacrificed even their life. They sacrificed even their joys, etc. One of them is Mrs. Indira Gandhi. She was the only daughter of first Prime Minister of India, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was a very prominent person. He have also sacrificed their life, their joys, their happiness for the sake of the welfare of the humankind and for the citizens of the India. Indira Gandhi also learned too much from their father. She was born on 19th November 1917 at Allahabad. Primary education was done in Allahabad. After that she was went to Europe for the higher education. She learned so much there. She learned so much from his father and she was get married at the age of 20 years with Firoz Gandhi. Both the couple, Firoz Gandhi and Indira Gandhi, also jumped into the battle of the freedom, those who are arising, and all the peoples who were organizing and were supporting and were following our Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. She was also elected as the president of Indian National Congress, and after the death of Shastriji, the second Prime Minister of India, at Tashkent, she was elected as the Prime Minister of India on 1966. She was the first lady Prime Minister of the Free India. After that, she was also elected as the President of the Non-Aligned Movement. She has done too much for our country, but at the time of 13 July 1984, she was sort of by her prominent bodyguards. It is the first case in the history that a bodyguard have also killed her honor. So I have to say the thing that we are enjoying that freedom. It is not the English have given us as a gift. We have sacrificed, we have devoted our life, then we are enjoying this country. So we should also give a tribute to our revolutionary, those who were revolutionary at that time, and now they are the freedom fighters. वतन पे मरने वालों का यही बाकी ना हो निशा होगा। इस तरह की हमारी 4 लाइन्स हैं और मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि जो भरा नहीं है भावों से बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, जो भरा नहीं है भावों से बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, वो हृदय नहीं पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं। वतन पे मरने वालों का यही बाकी इंसान होगा जो देश के लिए मरते हैं, जो अपने देश के लिए करते हैं, उनका भला स्वतः ही हो जाता है, उनको करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। आप दूसरों के लिए अगर प्रार्थना करते हैं तो आप उसके अंदर खुद इंक्लूड हैं। अगर आप अपने लिए प्रेयर करते हैं, भगवान आपकी नहीं सुनेगा। सबकी अगर आप प्रेयर में कहते हैं कि God saves all the person, you are also included in that person. To save others, you will be saved first. Thanks.